Subtracting fractions with models. How do we know if this is a subtraction model? Because of this x right here. Anytime when you see an x, you know it's a subtraction problem. So how do we start? Step 1, you have to think of the entire model as if there's no x's. And when you look at this, you're going to see there's one whole, and there are 7 out of 10 in here. That is our first fraction, 1 and 7/10. Next step, we're going to look just the x alone. And what is the value of the x compared to this one Kit Kat bar right here? We can see that the value of this x right here is 1/2. So we're going to put that down. To get the answer, all you simply have to do is just to look at what's left over. So this 1/2 is gone, 1/2 and 7/10, which is kind of weird. So one way we can do this is by breaking this larger piece into the same size as our smaller ones. When we do this, and after we have counted them, we will see that we actually have 12 tenths, because each one of these pieces, the value is 10. When working with fractions or the answers that are fractions, we have to think of two things. Final answer as a proper fraction. Is this final answer proper? No, it is not. The numerator, which is 12, is larger than the denominator. It's walking around with a big head. It's improper. We have to make it proper. How do we make it proper? We can divide. So we take top divided by bottom. Or if you can go to the model, you can also try to make ones with the model. For example, I see that there are 3 slots down here. I can actually move these 3 pieces down there and fill up the one box. Now we have one whole, and we have some leftover right here. We have 2 of these pieces left over, and the value of this piece is 1/10, and the value of this one piece is also 1/10. So as you can see, we have a total of 1 and 2/10. We can also simplify this by dividing both top and bottom by 2, because that is the common factor that they have. The 1 stays the same. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. And this is the final reduced answer. That is it. That's how easy it is.